Ever wondered how to find an affordable cookery course in Australia? The struggle is real, especially for international students who dream of becoming chefs in this gourmet paradise. Welcome to the Migration HQ YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest content on migration and international education-related information on Australian migration. We're talking about high-quality education that won't break the bank, something that seems almost elusive in today's world. But don't let the challenge deter you. The culinary scene in Australia is diverse and vibrant, and there's a place for everyone, regardless of their budget constraints. This video is your guide, your roadmap to navigating the often confusing and overwhelming world of culinary education in Australia. We're going to delve into how to choose the right course, the right university, and the right pathway to achieving your dream of becoming a chef. We'll discuss the registration requirements, the assessments, and everything in between. So, put on your apron, sharpen your knives, and buckle up. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets to finding budget-friendly culinary courses. Australia boasts a myriad of culinary courses and universities, but how do they stack up in terms of affordability? Let's start by comparing some of the most renowned institutions in Australia known for their cookery courses. The Le Cordon Bleu, for instance, is a globally recognized name in culinary education. Here, the cost of a diploma in culinary arts can reach up to around 20,000 Australian dollars. However, the high price tag comes with an impressive curriculum that covers a comprehensive range of cooking techniques and styles, and a globally recognized diploma that can open doors to prestigious culinary careers. On the other hand, we have more budget-friendly options like TAFE Queensland. They offer a Certificate 3 in commercial cookery for as low as 7,000 Australian dollars. While it may not have the same international prestige as Le Cordon Bleu, it still provides a solid foundation in culinary skills and a nationally recognized qualification. But what if I told you that there are even more affordable options out there? Institutions like the William Anglis Institute offer a Certificate 3 in commercial cookery for less than 5,000 Australian dollars. It's a great option for those who are budget conscious but still want a quality education. Now let's move on to universities. The University of Adelaide, for example, offers a Bachelor of Food and Nutrition Science, which, while not specifically a cookery course, provides a strong foundation for a career in the culinary arts. The course costs approximately 30,000 Australian dollars per year. In contrast, the University of Southern Queensland offers a Bachelor of Health, specializing in food and nutrition, at a more affordable rate of about 20,000 Australian dollars per year. Though it's not a traditional culinary program, it provides a broad understanding of food and nutrition, which can be beneficial for those aspiring to become chefs. As we can see, the cost of a culinary education in Australia can vary greatly depending on the institution. Regardless of the path you choose, remember that investing in your culinary education is an investment in your future career as a chef. Now that we've compared different courses, let's delve into the various degree and diploma pathways available. Welcome to the Migration HQ YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest content on migration and international education-related information on Australian migration. Embarking on a culinary journey can be as diverse as the ingredients in a chef's pantry. Two common pathways are through earning a degree or a diploma in commercial cookery. Understanding the difference between these can help you make an informed decision about your culinary education. Starting with the degree pathway, a bachelor's degree in culinary arts typically spans 3 to 4 years. This comprehensive program weaves together theoretical knowledge and practical skills. It covers a broad range of topics from food science, nutrition, and menu planning to business management and food service operations. The cost can vary widely, but many affordable options exist, especially in Australia. A degree can open doors to higher-level positions in the culinary world, including restaurant management, food writing, or even starting your own food business. On the other hand, a diploma in commercial cookery is a more focused and shorter pathway, usually lasting 1 to 2 years. This program is all about hands-on training in the kitchen. It dives deep into culinary techniques, food presentation, and kitchen management. The cost is generally lower than a degree, making it a more affordable option for many students. A diploma can lead to roles such as sous chef, head chef, or kitchen manager in various food establishments. It's important to note that both pathways offer work placement opportunities, allowing students to gain real-world experience in professional kitchens. This is invaluable in building a solid foundation for your future culinary career. So, whether you're dreaming of running your own restaurant, writing a cookbook, or leading a kitchen team, there's a pathway suited for you. A degree offers a broader education and potentially higher career positions, while a diploma provides a concentrated, hands-on culinary experience at a lower cost. Degree or diploma, both paths offer a multitude of opportunities for aspiring chefs. Remember, the choice between a degree and a diploma isn't about which is better, but rather which is better for you and your culinary ambitions. Becoming a qualified chef in Australia requires certain registration requirements. But what exactly are they? Welcome to the Migration HQ YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest content on migration and international education-related information on Australian migration. Well, let's dive right in. One of the initial requirements is obtaining a qualification in commercial cookery. This could be a Certificate 3 in commercial cookery, a diploma of hospitality management, or even a bachelor's degree in culinary arts or hospitality management. The level of qualification you choose largely depends on your career aspirations. Keep in mind, the higher your qualification, the more opportunities you may have in the culinary world. Next up is work experience. Work experience in a commercial kitchen is a key requirement. This could be part-time work during your studies or full-time work post-graduation. The important thing here is that you gain practical skills and experience in a real-world kitchen environment. This not only enhances your culinary skills, but also gives you an understanding of how a professional kitchen operates. Now, let's talk about English language proficiency. As an international student, you'll need to demonstrate a certain level of English language skills. This is typically measured through an IELTS score or an equivalent English language test. The required score may vary depending on the institution and the course you choose. Once you've met these prerequisites, you'll need to register with a professional body. In Australia, this is typically the Australian Culinary Federation or a similar organization. Registration with such a body is a way of demonstrating your professional standing and commitment to the culinary industry. Remember, these requirements are not just boxes to tick. They are crucial steps in your journey towards becoming a chef. They ensure you have the necessary skills, knowledge, and experience to succeed in this dynamic and challenging field. So, start planning now. Identify the qualifications you need, gain valuable work experience, improve your English language skills, and register with a professional body. Each step you take brings you closer to your goal of becoming a chef in Australia. Meeting these requirements is a crucial step towards becoming a chef in Australia. Let's take a closer look at the registration bodies that assess qualifications for chefs in Australia. These bodies are essential in the culinary industry as they ensure chefs have the right skills and qualifications to provide top-notch culinary services. Welcome to the Migration HQ YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest content on migration and international education-related information on Australian migration. First on the list is the Australian Culinary Federation, ACF. This body is the peak industry organization for chefs, cooks, culinary educators, and apprentices in Australia. Its role is to promote professional excellence through the delivery of comprehensive membership services, and it's a great place to start your registration process. Next up, we have the Culinary Solutions Australia International. This is a registered training organization that provides qualifications that are nationally recognized. They assess your skills and knowledge to determine your eligibility for a trade qualification in commercial cookery. The third body you should know about is the Trades Recognition Australia, TRA. TRA is a skills assessment service provider specializing in assessments for people with trade skills gained overseas or in Australia. So, for international students, this could be your go-to body for assessment. Lastly, we have the National Register of VET, managed by the Australian Skills Quality Authority, ASQA. VT stands for Vocational Education and Training. ASQA ensures the quality of Australian vocational education and training. The National Register lists all the registered training organisations that can provide an Australian qualification or statement of attainment. To get registered, you'll need to provide proof of your qualifications and experience, and in some cases, you may need to take a skills assessment or exam. Remember, each body has its own requirements, so it's important to check their specific registration processes. Registering with these bodies can open up a world of opportunities for you. It not only validates your qualifications but also gives potential employers confidence in your skills and abilities. It's a step that can boost your career prospects and set you on the path to becoming a successful chef. Getting registered with these bodies can validate your qualifications and boost your career prospects. We've covered a lot of ground today, so what are the key takeaways from our discussion? Welcome to the Migration HQ YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest content on migration and international education-related information on Australian migration. Firstly, we explored the struggle of finding affordable cookery courses, particularly for international students. We discovered that while it can be a challenge, it's not impossible. There are indeed cheaper universities in Australia that offer excellent programs for budding chefs. We then delved into comparing these courses and universities, highlighting the importance of thorough research in this decision-making process. We also recognized the value of both degree and diploma pathways. Each offers unique benefits, and the choice between them should align with your personal career goals. We then navigated through the registration requirements necessary to become a qualified chef for international students. This can seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it's entirely manageable. Finally, we identified the key registration bodies that assess qualifications for chefs once students complete their courses. With this information, your journey to becoming a chef in Australia just got a whole lot easier. Keep cooking and never stop learning. Welcome to the Migration HQ YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest content on migration and international education-related information on Australian migration.